Last night I did an avocado wash right before bedtime. This morning I'm doing a honey wash. Leave it on for about maybe 10 minutes, then I jump into the shower. And after that, I'm hoping to get some African food today. Last time I was in the city, I passed by a Senegalese place. They were closed at the time. I'm thinking maybe go back. There's also an African fusion place. I'm not certain if I'll eat there, but maybe I'll try both. We'll find out.
This is tropical, just made out of passion fruit and pineapple.
Okay.
This one, sorry, they all kind of look similar, but this one is the sisal, which is the hibiscus.
Okay.
This one's the icy. It has pineapple in case you're allergic or anything like that.
Okay.
These two, I can't really tell the color difference, but this one is a dish top, I think. Yeah. It's a Senegalese fruit type of drink.
Okay.
So it comes straight from Senegal, and then you can sweet drink here. Here's the ginger. It is strong, so I recommend you very much try this one last.
Okay.
And then this one is the bouie. It's the baobab tree, as you can see over there in the menu. I mean, the backdrop over there.
Yeah.
The tree behind it.
Yeah.
There's the fruit that comes out of it, which is this one right here.
Oh, okay.
And then here's a mix of these two. The Senegalese cocktail.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So you can just try it and just let me know.
Okay.
Whatever you like.
Thank you. First, she asked me, do you want meat, chicken, or fish? I said, I'll try some fish. And then she recommended this. She said this is like a staple Senegalese dish. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining a Working Shopper. I hope you're having a good day because we're going to have some good food. If you haven't eaten yet, go grab yourself a snack and hurry right back. So how is this pronounced again? Chakri?
Yeah.
Chakri? Okay. And then Chebuje
Yes.
for the fish. And then Nem Lagoon. Okay, thank you. This was the nicest business. It's family run. They let me sample their drinks before I bought one. So this is the Baobab. Oh wow, this is sweet. Okay, that was good. Is this a sorrel? Oh yeah. The sorrel is good. That's really good. It's almost like a cherry. Ooh, that one's like almost like cucumber. Wow. Oh, that's ginger. It's nice. Not too sweet, but very gingery. That one's like a mix of passion fruit, I think.
Our family history was
Wow.
Mine too.
Timothy Emerson III.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely like a punch,
Found
a
out
blend.
you're related to your spouse? There's an edible for that.
Wow. This is subtle, but it tastes like a mix between cherry and pear. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? Prickly pear from the cactus fruit. That's what it reminds me of. Yeah, refreshing. Yeah, it reminds me of prickly pear. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, look at that meaty fish. Wow. Is this mackerel, I wonder? They made it mild for me. I'm gonna try this chili now. Okay, I'm gonna try it by itself to see how. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna use that sparingly. We're gonna use that sparingly. The fish is bone in. Where's that yucca? And the rice. The jollof rice looks like either a short grain rice or a broken rice. Wow. So I would have gone to this restaurant like 2 weeks ago, but I thought they were closed. But then I'm like, let me just go try the door. And I opened it and they were in there. walked in, she said, oh, will you be dining in or taking out? I said, taking out. And she's like, is your first time here? I said, yes. And she's like, you want some suggestions? I said, oh, please. This is spicy, but it's delicious. And so, yeah, and she recommended the fish. Well, first she asked me, do you want meat, chicken, or fish? I said, I'll try some fish. And then she recommended this. She said this is like a staple Senegalese dish. Originally, I had ordered an appetizer as well, but because they make everything fresh, she told me that they would have to make a new batch, and I said, oh, and that's okay. It's a family-run business. They're very hospitable. Uh-oh. I have about a minute left on this of memory left. This was delicious. But it definitely burns. Right. I asked him to put the coconut and raisin on the side. Alright. Here we go. And you definitely need that coconut and raisins. The sweetness from that to complement the plain, I guess this is bulgur. Alright everyone, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had something delicious to eat as well and that your day is going great. I hope you're staying sane among all the insanity happening across the world. I will catch you in the next video. Bye. You could probably have this for breakfast.